All right, back we go. It is Thursday, November 4th. Checking out some stocks. Did a lot of videos today. Checking out UAVS, Ag Eagle Aerial Systems. They do drone type of stuff. 208 million market cap, 21% institutional ownership, 63 million float. Latest news, they're going to host corporate update November 15th. Let's see here. What do they do? Design, develop, produce, distribute, supports unmanned aerial vehicles for agriculture industry, United States, internationally. It's founded 2010 in Wichita, Kansas. They've been around a while. I did videos on this a while ago. This real move back in 2020, where this was one, went all the way up to three. It took like months. See, it's almost a full year. Then it really exploded with many penny stocks, three all the way up to 17 plus. And you see the fade and then formed a wedge, bounced out of it a little bit, got the six, and then faded back, and here we are. So this was 17 down to this move right now, which is, where's this at? About 255. Big volume right here on this candle, but it didn't really move much. Now, if that holds, the stop right now is 275 or a little bit lower. This doesn't move. It looks like it's trying to sideways and turn up. From the fibs level all the way down to where we're at now, this is a $6 move, 23.6 fibs. There's big space up here for this to move. And the way it's looking now, three, I think we can get to four. The trend has been down. See this? So are we going to get another spike up? See here, spike here. Where's the spike? Is it 4 to 5, maybe 6? I'm looking for at least 4 to 5. We'll see in this weekly. You see, we're bearish now. Crossed over right here back in May. 20 EMA over 13 EMA. Trying to go sideways a little bit. Might be early. But you can see the spikes are going to try to fight that. Your oversold stochastics. Monthly. Very tight. See this? But no crossover up yet. That's where we stand on this right now. So on this move, you see the spike and then down the spike, but where will the next spike be? Is it going to be up at that 6 level, 4 or 5 level? We're going to get one. There's no doubt. It's a matter of when and how high this goes. A lot of these stocks are making like the same type of pattern. They had to move here back in May, now here. A lot of people talking about it on StockTwits. Not much news. In October, there was some news. Ag Eagle to acquire SenseFly from Parrot. Ag Eagle unveils the Mica Sense Red Edge drone sensors. A few things, but not really moving the stock. So you can see again on the monthly, there was the move up. See this? The stochastics never reached that high up. Then it's fading back. And, where will this move now be? Sideways? Will it go up? It's very tough to say in these, but when you start going sideways like this, that's a very good sign. On this, it was more of a wedge, and then it moved up. This is more flattening and sideways on this pattern right here. It's been pretty much down since June. So when will the next move? Could be soon, November, December. We'll see if sparks fly in this. But I still like this 4 to 6 range. Look for a move on that. Between now and who knows on these plays. They could be day trades or definitely swing trades. But you don't have an exact time frame. Sometimes you can tell, like on this, when you see this wedge, you knew eventually, pretty soon it was going to come up, and it did. On this, it's not exactly, a wedge, more of a channel, and now we're going sideways. So we'll see on this. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Gaming Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out links below. And that's it. We'll be back for more videos. Peace.